Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can get accepted for an offer within WarriorPlus. So let's go to the marketplace first. Tap on marketplace and then home. Okay, and let's just filter it on top 25 in the last 30 days. Okay, let's go to offer affiliate and then offers. Let it load. And as you see a lot of things. Don't get overwhelmed, please. So you can see these are the sales and the release date, conversion rate of 70%, and this is conversion rate of 73%, which is pretty good. So I am tapping on this one, and if you want to promote this product, this thing, you can do that just by tapping on request approval. So you need to tap on this, and if you want, you can just, for example, say, hey, I have a website with 10,000 monthly visitors, and I want to promote your product. I think it's good for both of us. Just try to convince the vendor, the owner, like you see, that you are a good affiliate, that you really are going to make some commissions for him. So but this is of course optional. You can just pass on a request offer. If you want the vendor to contact you via email, you can turn this on, but I do not recommend you doing that. But I recommend you just writing some short notes, just, hey, I have a YouTube channel, hey, I have a TikTok account with X amount of followers. Just type in what's the case, what's your case. So just tap on request offer, and then someone will look to your notes, to your request, and they will accept you or deny you. If they deny you, which likely won't happen, but sometimes it happens, you can just try another time, or just another product. Maybe just the product isn't fitting you. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.